Hello guys, welcome to 9 Months. Today discussing about what is quantum physics. Put simply, it's a physics that explains how everything works. The best description we have of the nature of particles that makes up matter and the forces with which they interact. Quantum physics underlies how atoms work and so why chemistry and biology work as they do. You, me, and the gate post at some level at least, we're all dancing to the quantum tune. If you want to explain how electrons move through a computer chip, how photons of light get turned to electrical current in a solar panel or amplify themselves in a laser, or even just how the sun keeps burning, you'll need to use quantum physics. The difficulty, and for physicists the fun starts here. To begin with, there's no single quantum theory. There's quantum mechanics, the basic mathematical framework that underpins it all, which was the first developed in the 1920th century by Niels Bohr, Werner Heisenberg, Erwin Schrödinger, and others. It characterizes simple things such as how the position or momentum of a single particle or group of few particles change over time. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to 9 Minutes.